let's devise a long-term plan versus a short-term plan, yes, pun intended, for actually using ChatGPT to make money here on YouTube. And we're going to do that by going to my YouTube channel, and we're going to dive into my analytics. And once inside of revenue, we're going to scroll down here and focus in on content performance. I want to highlight the revenue for every 1K views, or the RPM of $19.82. These are for videos, or for long form content. Videos that aren't shorts or that aren't lives. Take a look at the RPM compared to videos for shorts. Revenue for every 1K views, RPM of 4 cents. Again, go back to revenue for every 1K views, RPM for regular standard long form videos, or YouTube videos that, in my opinion, provide way more value, especially in the context of what I'm talking about, of creating simple how-to videos that actually show people how to solve a problem by generating, or by creating enough content and generating revenue as you're creating that content, thereby using ChatGPT to make money or to get paid to generate the content eventually once you establish your YouTube channel, and then also using affiliate marketing and doing that via my top strategy. And of course, the top strategy is very simple, and it starts with traffic. That is simply creating the content here on YouTube that solves people's problems. These are simple how-to videos based on a very specific topic. Now at this point, you're going, well, I don't have a topic, or I don't know what videos to create for my topic. And that is where ChatGPT comes in. I want to create a YouTube channel talking about privacy and security when using public Wi-Fi. Please list me 3 topics I could create videos on and build an email list of people that would be interested in learning more about a free VPN solution. Of course, building an email list or adding people to an email list is the third foundational phase of the top strategy, but we're focused back here on this idea of using ChatGPT. ChatGPT to give us video topic ideas to generate traffic. You can see here we have some great ideas: risk of public Wi-Fi and how to stay safe, introduction to VPNs and their importance. And the third one that ChatGPT instantly came up for us is comparing free VPN services, pros and cons. ChatGPT even went ahead and dove into the idea of building and creating an email list for us. And you can see here it said create a compelling landing page. This is something we're definitely going to need to do. And I also have a tool for you to do that. And that is GetResponse. There's a link in the description. This doubles as both the landing page builder as well as the tool that you're going to use to build your email list. Because what you're going to get here is an email marketing tool to build a list of up to 500 contacts. That's 500 people that you can add to an email list. And again, you can start with that account for free. There's a link in the description. Of course, going back to the top strategy, we were talking about traffic. We did jump ahead to people, and we also started thinking about what our offer is going to be, or based upon our topic of talking about privacy and security, we found that VPNs might be a good thing to talk about or to create videos here on YouTube. And that means we're going to need an offer. But before we do that, let's check off traffic. The fact that we need a tool here to create videos. And to do that, there's a link in the description for a free screen recorder. Easily record your screen with the best free screen recorder for Windows, Mac, iPhone, iPad, Android, and Chromebook. And yes, you can also start with that for free. Link in the description for those free tools. Now we have solidified the idea of traffic, or getting traffic, creating simple videos here based upon the topics or the video ideas that ChatGPT created for us or gave us. Next up is offer. So to do that, we are going to go back to ChatGPT and take a look at this, because it gave us these ideas around VPNs or utilizing VPNs, or these are the topics that we're going to be talking about. So at that point, I want to go back to ChatGPT, and I just want to continue with letting ChatGPT do this heavy lifting for us when helping us create this long-term strategy for creating content and making money here on YouTube. Please list all the free VPN services for this use case. It gave us a list of VPNs. Take note that this is only applicable, or the available knowledge that ChatGPT has, the free version, only goes up to September 2021. So of course, if you're using the paid version of ChatGPT and you had access to the internet, you could go out and pull some more information. But if we were just to take this first Proton VPN and Google that, you're going to see Proton VPN is a solution we could actually create more content around or get more ideas just by understanding what Proton VPN is, simply by going to Google and reading more about it, learning more about it, and creating this helpful content. Now, when you go over to check out this as an offer, you will be making content on this. If you just scroll down towards the bottom of the page, you can see here it's called Partnership, Contact Partnerships. Join forces with Proton. Our mission is to make internet privacy accessible to all. That's why we're happy to share revenue and support like-minded partners. Become a partner. This means that you can partner with them and earn money for creating this helpful content based around this idea that started with the top strategy, and it started with a traffic source, picking a topic or letting ChatGPT pick that topic for us, grabbing ScreenPal, link in the description to start for free to generate this content that's going to become traffic over to the offer that was generated, or the idea of these different VPNs where we can go and we can do research and become partners. That can become our offer as an affiliate. And then we can also, or we looked at adding people to a list to follow up with additional offers. And in the meantime, if we're looking for additional offers, we simply just go back to Google and we say Proton VPN versus, and we simply enter an A, because we're going to use the alphabet method here. And we're going to start with AirVPN, or we're going to see that it starts with AirVPN, Atlas VPN, and then we could just take a look at Proton versus Atlas VPN as an example. And you can see here there are some comparisons here on YouTube, or there are some information. There is some information here inside of Google, and also the generative AI experience, or Google Bard, is coming up with more information. So not only ChatGPT is an AI, but the Google generative AI is giving us information. So we're utilizing this AI information from different sources to give us more ideas. And then we can say, okay, Proton VPN versus Atlas VPN. And then of course, we now have two offers, because we can offer Proton VPN or Atlas VPN, depending on which product solves which problem for our audience based upon that traffic we're generating from the content, which is helpful videos that we're creating here on YouTube. And then of course, we move on to the next step inside of the offer phase, where we're looking at different VPNs in this case, in this example. Then we scroll down just like we did before, and we see that they have an affiliate program. So we click on that link, it takes us over, and we can become an affiliate for Atlas VPN as well as Proton VPN. So then looking at the strategy, or the top strategy, now we have offer, and we started with traffic. Traffic was helpful content around a topic that we just simply let ChatGPT pick for us and then give us topics. And then we found offers as well. So now we have traffic over to two offers that we found, started with ChatGPT, as well as the AI experience that we're getting over with Google. Their experiment is helping us, and we are taking that information and we are adding people to an email list, and we're doing all of this. And we are doing all of this. Again, we are going to be able to do all of this for free. This was the default version of ChatGPT 3.5. It's currently free. So I used that. You saw where I started. You saw how quick and simple it was. For traffic, we need to make videos. ScreenPal, there's a link in the description. You can get your free version of this to get started with figuring out exactly how to make these videos that become traffic, the helpful content that you're creating about the two offers that you'll be letting people know about, and then you'll be adding them to an email list with GetResponse, link in the description, as well as it is a page builder. All of these tools are in the description, as well as, now that you've made it this far and you've seen the top strategy and you understand that you need to start with traffic, then you need to get people over to an offer. And then once you have people see your offer, you take those people and you add those people to an email list. But you might not be happy with the topic I chose as an example here. So if you're feeling stuck searching for the right niche, or you don't quite know how to pick a topic, link in the description. Check this out. The niche conundrum is going to be solved for you. It is a maze, but I have a product here called Affiliating Accelerator, where I walk you through how I do this. What I just showed you here, I go into greater detail. You can check that out. Link in the description. It's going to help you get unstuck by showing you exactly how to pick a topic. I'm going to walk you through that step by step in a real live training. You're going to be able to see exactly how to do that, as well as ask any questions about how this works. All the links are in the description of this video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.